Here we have Maya and Bracha eating cornflake cereal for breakfast. We've been teaching Maya and Bracha baby sign language. Maya and Bracha, do you want more? Maya and Bracha, do you want more? Yay! Maya and Bracha is 9.5 months old. And here we have Tilachana. Good morning, Tilachana. Tilachana is 2 years old. Tilachana, say bye-bye.